Well, how to solve the projections of solids by using AutoCAD software. So just you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode, switch on the ortho mode, command type limits, go to lower left corner, 0, 0, upper right corner, take 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, take the arbitrary point on the lower left corner of the screen, click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the upper side. Then take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. And again you take offset, take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.5x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window. Select this and go to D-text. Specify start point. Takes some point and click on first button of the mouse and specify head as 4, rotation angle as 0, and type the problem number 144. Then go to take a pentagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base, 50 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its corners of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid. Draw the projection of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP. When the axis is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So now once you have this, now we're going to create the layer. So first we'll go for the zoom window and then go to layer, click on new, type the layer as XY and enter. Click on new, type it as visible, then click on new, type it as invisible, then go to line and type it as axis. Then go to layer 0, click on the line weight of layer 0 and make it as 0.05 and say OK. Click on layer XY, the line weight of XY, make it 0.13 and say OK. Click on visible line weight and make it 0.5 and say OK. Click on invisible layer line weight, make it 0.3 and say OK. Click on axis, go to 0.05 and say OK. Then go to invisible line type, invisible layer line type, click on load, click on H hidden and say OK, and click on hidden and say OK. Then go to axis, click on continuous, click on load, take this as C center and say OK. Click on center and say OK. Once you do that, then you close the layer command. Then go to line, now we go for polygon. Select the number of sides as 5, take the edge option, select the first point of edge and take the mouse, drag the mouse to the downwards and take the distance as 25. Then go to line, intersection point of this and take midpoint of this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this and intersection point of this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this. Then go to select and go to CH and then go to layer, click on visible, change it to visible layer, and then go to line and draw a horizontal line and take the offset distance as 50. Select this line and offset to the top side, and go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then take intersection part of this, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and then intersection part of this and then intersection part of this, then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two, then go to erase, then go to break, select this line and break this till here, then go to select this 4 lines, then go to layer, click on change it to visible layer, then go to select, click on this line and click on axis and make this line type, and make this line type 10, then go to escape, then go to group, select this objects, you select this and you select this line, enter, then go to copy, select this, copy this to the next position, and then go to rotate, select objects, you select this and take intersection part of this and take the rotation angle as minus 50 degrees, then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of these two, vertical line and take line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, vertical line, take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part 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 of this, and now to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and then go to int of this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and int of this and intersection point of this, then go to break, select this line, take first point int of this and say at the rate, break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, and break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and take line, intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Now we go for visibility and invisibility. First we will going to click on this, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You select this and this surfaces which are near to the observer is visible. So this triangular surface is visible. You just go to layer, change it to visible. Then the edge or a corner which is on XY line is always invisible. Front view is always invisible in the top view. Once this line is invisible, then automatically these two lines becomes invisible. Go to layer, make it invisible and then go to line type, take it 15. Then you just go to layer, go to this and make this line as the axis and select this and take it as 5. Type it as 5 and enter. Then escape. Then go to group, select this entire thing and group it as a single entity. Then go to copy, select this line here, then go to rotate, select this, take the rotate as intersection of this and take this angle as 45 degrees. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, select this, move it here. Then go to line, take intersection point of this Switch on the ortho mode, draw a horizontal line, take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, take line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, take endpoint of this and then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of these two lines and then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then now go to line, take intersection of this and int of this and intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly, line int, take intersection point of this and take int of this and then go to line, take intersection point of this and int of this and take int of this. Then go to zoom and here you just break this line till here, first point, int of this, and now all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You make this exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface near to the observer is visible. Then the entire pentagon surface is visible. As these two edges are visible, then naturally this edge is also becomes visible. So you take it as the visible layer. Then once you get this, now these two edges are crossing the visible edges. So two visible edges can never cross each other. Therefore that becomes it is invisible and this distance is 15. Then go to this line, make this layer as axis layer and change the line type to 10 and say escape. Then go to previous, then go to break, select this line and break this till here, then go to erase. Then you select this line and you select this line, go to layer, make this layer as xy, then go to DDIM, select modify, then click on primary units, make it as 0, then go to text, take it as 4, align with the dimension line, centered is above, take offset from the dimension line as 3 and then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take the offset from origin as 3 and say OK and then close. Then go to dim vertical, select this line and make it 25 and dim vertical, take intersection point of this and take int of this and take this distance as 50 and dim angular and select this line and this line, you make this angle as 40 and then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you keep it as 45 degree. Then go to the text, switch on the ortho caps lock, capital X, capital BP, capital HP, capital Y. Then switch off the caps lock, you type A, B, C, D, E and you type O and here you type O1. Then go to O dash and here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash in bracket, D dash in bracket, then it is E dash in bracket and here it is O1 dash in bracket. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to escape, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, type X, type BP, type HP, here A dash, here it is E dash, here it is O1 dash, here it is B dash, here it is D dash, here it is C dash, here it is O dash and zoom previous, here it is zoom window, select this to make it as now to move this C, B, here it is E, here it is O, here it is O1, here it is A, then zoom previous, then go to copy, select C dash, copy this here, and you copy this O dash here, copy this A dash here, E dash, here it is O1 dash, here it is B dash, here it is D dash, here it is copy, you take O, copy this here, and you copy this here, here it is A, copy this A, you copy this A here, then you copy this B, you copy this B, you copy this C, you copy this C, you copy this D, you copy this D here, and you copy this E, you copy this E, you copy this O1 here and this O1 here, then go to the text. Here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is O1 dash. Since A dash, A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, all the entire pentagonal surface are visible. Since O1 dash is on that surface, so O1 dash becomes visible, and then O dash becomes visible. Then go to zoom window, you select this line, so you take C dash, you move this D dash, you move this E dash, you move this A dash, you move this O dash, you move this B dash, and you move this O1 dash previous, and then go to dim TED, select this line and take the text and place it wherever you want. Then 40 degrees you place it here, and this is how you will be able to complete the drawing. And then finally go to save, and come down to the appropriate directory, go to AutoCAD, go to all its drawings and type P144 and save it. And finally you will just go to